Welcome back to the IbPython3 notebook series. In this short video, we're going to look at executions, execution filters, and commission reports that are returned. So let's get started. We will load our modules. We'll connect using the same client ID 444 that we used in the previous orders video. Make our connection. The usual market data connection status messages, nothing exciting. For our execution filter, we'll look at Apple by executions using the client ID 444. And this requests a unique identifier from our client and places the request execution method call using that identifier and the execution filter, which we just created above. The executions are sent piecemeal, and this will wait. This function call is the execution details end method call is triggered once all the executions has been sent. So this waits for that to return a end of data description, and then once that has occurred, it will load all the execution details that have been sent. And again, I am replacing my account number, so my account is not hacked. We will print the execution reports here. Go ahead and run this cell. So this is the timestamp of when the client received the execution report. This is the actual execution itself, together with the contract description of that execution. So here, for example, is 100 shares of Apple that was purchased at a price of 592.82. The permanent ID of that trade, the average price, which is the same, obviously, and the time at when that execution occurred. This is just the contract summary description for Apple. And then this is the second execution, which has actually occurred previously. It was the first trade that we did for 100 shares at market, and this transacted at 838.26 versus 842 above for the time, and the price that was executed was slightly different than the price above here. So that's pretty much it for the execution reports. The commission reports are triggered immediately after a trade execution, or also by calling the request executions method above, that function call that we did above. So we will go ahead and view our commission reports. This one, for example, matches our identifier. Doesn't really fit on the screen, but this number here matches the identifier number above, and shows we paid $1 in commission for that trade. So that is all for the commission reports, and that is all for this video. Thank you for watching.